Let us solve this example. Okay, so in this example, it is already given the function is continuous. You remember the definition of continuity, na? In last video we have already seen. So the given is function is continuous and our task is to find the value of alpha. Okay, so let us write the given things first and then we'll go further. So we have the first important thing is f of 0 0. At 0 0 the value of f is alpha. Okay, this is a given thing and I'm going to find now. See, I'm considering limit xy tends to 0 0 f of xy. So let us find the value of this limit. Okay, let us find. So limit xy tends to 0 0. Okay, what is my function? X square minus y square divided by x square plus y square. See, what I'm going to do? I'm going to use polar coordinates to solve the problem. Do you know what are polar coordinates? In complex also sometimes we use, I think in 11 and 12, or in physics also. So see, polar coordinates, that means I'm going to putting x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Okay, I will tell you the meaning of it. Suppose xy be any point here, okay, and if you join that point with the origin, then there is some distance of point from origin, so that distance is denoted by r, right? And there is some angle between positive x-axis and that line, so that is called theta, right? So therefore the limit that means the above limit is equal to limit r tends to 0. So when xy tends to 0 0, that means when xy, this point is approaching to origin 0 0, that means the distance that r means distance between them, it is going to 0. So instead of, so there is no relation with theta, simply when xy tends to 0 0, r will move towards 0 0. Okay, so let us put those values. R cos theta, since our x is r cos theta, r square cos square theta, correct, minus r square sin square theta divided by r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. See, what will happen if I, just a minute, what will I do? From numerator, from this bracket, I can take r square common easily, right? So if I take r square and this r, that means we will have total r cube cos theta, in bracket we will have cos square theta minus sin square theta. In denominator, here we can take r square common, r square cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, so see, the next part I will write here, and this space is enough for us. So it's equal to, see, r square we can easily cancel, r cube is there, so r square will get cancelled. And do you know the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? It is 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So that's why I can write limit r tends to 0. Okay, one r is there, r cos theta, in bracket we will have cos square theta minus sin square theta. So if I put r is equal to 0 here, 0 into anything, 0, correct? 0 into anything, 0. Actually the terms of theta are independent on r, but one r is there, so because of that we are getting 0. Okay, but let us come back to the given information. The given information is function is continuous at 0 0. So I will mention we have f is continuous at 0 0. So this is given information. Therefore limit xy tends to 0 0, limit xy tends to 0 0, f of xy is equal to f of 0 0. By definition of continuity, limit should exist, and that is nothing but f of 0 0. So this is by definition. So yeah, this value just now we have calculated. Yeah, we calculated the same value and we got finally it is 0. And f of 0 0 it is given in a problem, that is alpha. So therefore our value of alpha is 0. Understood? Okay, so make a screenshot of it, and after that we will try for one more problem. Okay, so let us discuss next problem. Okay, so in the next problem, just function is different, the remaining things are same. Our task is again to find the value of alpha. So tell me what we do first. Okay, first we write a given information. So we have here, same as the previous one, we have what is our f of 0, 0? F of 0, 0 is alpha, no doubt. Get it? So I will start to calculate the second side, that means limit xy tends to 0, 0 f of xy. Okay, let us find its value. So limit xy tends to 0, 0. F of xy, that means a given function, right? So its function is x square y square upon x square plus y square. Okay, just like I showed you in a last previous example that we convert, okay, the problem in polar coordinates and then we start to solve. Okay, tell me how to convert in a polar coordinates. Obviously, we have to put x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So let us putting, what did I say? X is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Okay, therefore the limit that means the above limit is equal to limit. So see, when we say xy tends to 0, 0, but when we convert a problem in polar coordinates, simply need to mention r tends to 0. There is no need to write theta tends to 0. So yeah, only r tends to 0. So let us put values r square cos square theta, since we take square of x, so it's square of y, so that means r square sin square theta, right? In denominator, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. So is equal to limit r tends to 0, r square into r square, r raised to 4 cos square theta into sin square theta, right? And here in denominator we can take r square common. So if I take r square common, we will have r square cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, the remaining part of the problem I will solve here. Just a minute. I will write here limit r tends to 0. Can we cancel anything? Yes, r square we can cancel. As well as one more thing I need to mention here, cos square theta plus sin square theta is very standard formula. Its value is 1. So the value of this bracket is 1. As well as we are cancelling this r square also. Okay, so we will have just numerator only. What will be the numerator? R square cos square theta sin square theta. Okay, so now we are applying the limit. But see, cos theta and sin theta both are independent on r. So simply we have to apply limit only on r square. But if I put r is equal to 0, we will have 0, since 0 into anything, 0. So the value of this one is 0. Okay, so finally we calculated the value of this limit. Okay, see, but the given information, I should mention here, we have, what is the given information? F is continuous at 0, 0. See, I am going to use the definition of continuity. So therefore, by definition of continuity, limit xy tends to 0, 0, f of xy is same as f of 0, 0. Okay, so yeah, its limit, yeah, its value we have calculated. We have got it is 0, and f of 0, 0, yes, f of 0, 0 is here. Its value is alpha. So 0 is equal to alpha. So therefore, value of alpha is 0. I think in previous example also we had got the same value. Na? Fortunately, we are getting the same value in this example also. Make a screenshot of it, and after that we will stop. Okay, thank you.